waffle cookie-shaped armpit bag. Materials needed: yarn, soft sweater yarn, double strands, milk tea and camel for chocolate cookie color, dusty rose for the base, white and pink for strawberry cream color. Quantity: a bit more than 1 ball of each color, approximately 250 grams total. Crochet hook, 5.mm. Accessories: off-white donut-shaped cord adjuster. Additional tools: stitch markers, sewing needle, tapestry needle. One, crocheting the base. Step 1, make a slip knot. Step 2, crochet an oval base with a foundation chain of 36 stitches. Step 3, crochet the base in 3 rounds, following the baguette bag tutorial for detailed steps. Step 4, finish the last stitch of the last round with a slip stitch. Two, crocheting the bag body. Step 1, switch to white and pink yarns after the base and slip stitch. Step 2, chain 2 stitches, cut the unused yarn and hide the yarn tail. Step 3, crochet a round of double crochet without increasing or decreasing, hiding the yarn tail. Step 4, slip stitch into the first double crochet, knot the chain stitch, and chain 2 for the next round. Three, crocheting the waffle texture. Step 1, crochet front post double crochets. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook around the post from the previous round, and complete the double crochet. Pattern, 1 front post double crochet followed by 3 regular double crochets. Use a stitch marker in the first front post double crochet. Step 2. Crochet back post double crochets. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook from the back around the post, and complete the double crochet. Pattern, 3 back post double crochets for the 3 double crochets of the previous round, 1 regular double crochet in the front post double crochet. Step 3. Alternate rounds of front and back post double crochets to form the waffle texture for 6 rounds. Step 4. Finish the bag body with a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Crocheting the strap. Step 1. Use 2 strands of pink yarn. Start at the center of the bag's sides, chain 2 and crochet 3 double crochets for each row. Step 3. Use a stitch marker on the second chain of the turning chain for easy identification. Step 4. Crochet back and forth until the strap reaches about 50 centimeters. Step 5. Leave a 20 centimeter tail for sewing and sew the strap to the opposite side of the bag body with a tapestry needle. Crocheting the drawstring. Step 1. Use a single strand of pink yarn and chain 40 to 50 stitches. Step 2. Thread the drawstring through the bag's top between the waffle squares. Step 3. Secure the drawstring with a donut-shaped adjuster. Step 4. Hide the drawstring ends by sewing or gluing them inside the bag. 6. Final touches. Step 1. Secure the strap and drawstring. Hide any remaining yarn tails inside the bag.